Get excited about the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.